Imagine a world where artificial intelligence is not just powerful but accessible, affordable, and customizable for everyone small businesses, researchers, developers, and even individuals in remote corners of the globe. This is not a dream, it's reality, and it's called DeepSeek R1. Today we are taking an in-depth look at this revolutionary AI model. What makes it so special? How does it compare to the AI giants we already know? And why is it shaking up the industry so profoundly? To understand why DeepSeek R1 is such a big deal, let's quickly revisit how we got here. AI has come a long way, from early rule-based systems like ELIZA in the 1960s to machine learning and the deep learning boom of the 2010s. Then came the transformer models like GPT-3 and GPT-4, which revolutionized how machines understand and generate language. But there's always been a catch. The bigger and better these models get, the more expensive, resource-intensive, and exclusive they become. GPT-4, for example, has a trillion parameters, but training and running it require massive infrastructure and costs that only the largest tech companies can afford. It's like having a sports car that only a billionaire can drive. That's where DeepSeek R1 turns the tide. It's not just advanced but efficient, affordable, and available to everyone. DeepSeek R1 is built on three groundbreaking principles that set it apart from anything else in the market. First, it's cost efficient. The team behind DeepSeek R1 developed new training methods like gradient sparsification and hardware-aware algorithms. This drastically cuts the cost of training by up to 80%, making it accessible even for smaller organizations or researchers with limited budgets. Second, it's compact yet powerful. Unlike the gigantic models we're used to, DeepSeek R1 uses advanced compression techniques like knowledge distillation to reduce its size by 40% without compromising performance. It can even run efficiently on regular CPUs or edge devices, making AI a possibility for industries and regions with limited infrastructure. And third, it's open source. Yes, you heard that right. DeepSeek R1 is available for anyone to use, adapt, and innovate. This is AI for the people. Imagine the possibilities. Startups building their own tools, educators using it to teach, or developers creating localized applications tailored to specific cultures or languages. But it's not just about accessibility. DeepSeek R1 addresses some of AI's thorniest issues: bias and rigidity. It comes with a built-in bias evaluation toolkit so users can detect and mitigate biases in real time. And its modular design allows for task-specific customization, from language translation to image recognition to complex reasoning. You don't have to be a tech giant to harness its full potential. Now, let's zoom out and appreciate the historical context. AI has always been about pushing the boundaries of what's possible, but for years, that progress came at a price: cost, exclusivity, and environmental impact. DeepSeek R1 represents a paradigm shift. Instead of just scaling up, it's scaling smart. It challenges the idea that bigger is always better and opens the door for a truly democratized AI revolution. This could be the turning point where AI goes from being a luxury to a global utility. So how are the pioneers of AI reacting to this disruptive model? OpenAI's Sam Altman called DeepSeek R1's cost efficiency an exciting development, but expressed concern about how fast open source models might accelerate competition. Meta sees it as validation for their own open source efforts, while leaders at Anthropic have emphasized the importance of responsible deployment. There's a mix of admiration and unease. It's clear that DeepSeek R1 is forcing even the giants to rethink their strategies. But one thing is for sure, the landscape of AI has changed forever. So, what does this mean for all of us? DeepSeek R1 isn't just a technological breakthrough, it's an invitation, a call to reimagine what AI can do for the world. Are you a developer with a big idea, a small business owner looking to optimize operations, or just someone curious about how AI could make a difference in your life? And here's the big question: are we ready to embrace a future where AI isn't just in the hands of the few, but the many? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our deep dives into the world of AI and technology.